how to record using a teleprompter. Hey, welcome back to Brow Tab. I'm Alex, your host, and this channel is for entrepreneurs who want to take their business to the next level. This week, I'm showing you how to use the totally free Teleprompter app for iPhones to use to record your videos. So I am on a mission to show you how to create your first digital product for $0. And the Teleprompter app is an amazing tool to use if you are not comfortable speaking on camera yet. So it's totally free, and basically all you have to do is write out a script, copy and paste it into the app, sit down in front of your phone like this, in front of your Teleprompter app, and actually just read the entire script off of the screen. Super easy to use, so let me show you how we're gonna do it. Open the Teleprompter app and it will immediately take you to my script. So I already have scripts saved in here, but if you don't, you're gonna press the plus in the right hand corner and you're either gonna click compose new script or import script. So the easiest way is just to compose a new script, and then it's gonna get you to name this, and then from here it's going to say type your script. So you could straight up just type your entire script in here, but the much easier way to do this is to actually craft your script, to write out your script in your notes on your phone or in a Google Drive, and then to just simply copy and paste them. Hit paste and your script will appear here. You'll see that you have to scroll all the way up. There's my whole script from my last YouTube video. And basically what you can do now is you can control how quickly it goes. So see, it's like a turtle to a hare or a rabbit, right? So depending on how fast you can read and how fast you want to talk or how fast you do talk, you're going to control that. It may take some time playing around with it. And then you're going to hit record, and then you're going to hit start. Be sure to hit record first, or else it will not record you actually going through your script. So you're just going to read through the script as it moves on the page. So here it's really, really slow, but this is in real time now. And if you need to take a break or if you mess up, all you have to do is hit pause. And it will pause the video. It won't stop recording though. So you can scroll back to where you want to re-record or where you messed up, and then hit start again, and then continue to read your script. It's going to keep recording it, so you will have to edit this out once it downloads, but you don't want to stop it because then it will not be in sync of one video. When you're done recording, hit the record button again, and then you're going to hit save video, and this is just going to save the video to your camera roll on your phone. And here you can now see it loaded, and this is the video of me actually reading the script, but you're not seeing the script anymore. You're just seeing it as a video that you can share to your first digital product, your first online course, or here on YouTube or on Instagram. So that's it. That's how you can use the totally free Teleprompter app to start recording video content for your first digital product, and you can do it totally for free. If you haven't watched the past videos on my channel, most videos are about creating your first digital product and how to do that for $0. You can go watch them here and hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.